Taking me higher, Jesus. Why you been my eh? Taking me higher. Taking me higher, eh? I'll be ashamed. Hello, my lovely people. How are you today, everybody? Hi, everyone. Hi, guys. I hope everybody's fine. If you never subscribe, try and subscribe to my channel. AB Media is your one and only sister, your number one sister. Try and subscribe to my channel. God will bless you all for subscribe, to share all my video. More blessing to you all. Your business will be going well in Jesus' name. Amen. Today's topic, there's some things where they bother me, where they bother me. Now for guys today, now I want to talk, men, okay, men, I want to talk about guys today. Many things they happen, many things they happen in this world. There's some things where you will see in the men. Some men like this will be looking and say, you will see some guys, they will have their beautiful wife somewhere. They will have their beautiful wife. Your beautiful wife will be say the girl is very good and the woman is very good, nice woman. They'll be hiding it for their girlfriend. They'll be hiding it for their concubine outside. Why are you hiding your marriage for the girl that you meet outside? You're supposed to be proud of your woman. You're supposed to be proud of your wife. You're supposed to be proud of your family. Even some of them will have baby, but they will be hiding it for their girl. They will be hiding it for their girlfriend they have outside Chico. Don't be saying that their wife. They will be hiding it for their girlfriend. Say they never marry. They will, even though if you see their stuff, they will tell you that they will write nothing. They will even they will not write anything, either single or marriage. And they are deceiving many women. Many girls are dying. They put their heart. This one will marry me. You don't know that one is not going to marry you. Just deceiving you. deceiving better one, better deceiving. Oh, they have their kids. Even some of them don't born 4, some of them don't born 3, some of them don't born 2. They will put their profile. You no go know, they no go write single. They no go write marriage. You go think say you and the person are the same. Now you and the person they follow. My sister, we women are supposed to be wise. Don't use because you never see husband, they desperate. Don't use because of you never see husband. It's okay, make I go chook my head where you no expect. Don't use because you never get husband and go and put hand in the wrong place. You go and put hand in the wrong place where you no expect, where you no believe. Many girls, many, they are suffering. They don't know. The guy will be deceiving them, telling them, you are my girl, I love you so much. Without you, I will die. Without you, I'm this. You are my sugar and my tea. You are my everything. My yoli yoli. Nne. Forget them all. You have to find out about the man that you are dating. Even though the man is staying in another country, my dear, find out very well. Because many of them already married. They have their wife, they have their kids, they have their family. So they are just fine. They just want to use you, do pressing, or enter that thing where they want. If they enter them, they go gule. If not talking, they go say they go gule. So if they enter them, they go ja. My dear, have to use your brain. Why? Use one brain, no. No, na be wise, oh. You no go take say because of they find husband, they go chook hand. Wait till you no expect. You go come with tell say if you say you know for kukuma dey your own. There's some news where I go dey hear like this. I go wonder, I go dey look, I go dey surprised for girls. I go say some men after they go say they no get good woman, they no get good lady. Then get wonderful woman, then get sweet lady, then get if you even though the one wey dem dey pursue for outside sef, their wife even better than that one wey dem get for outside. If you see their wife is more beautiful, very fine. If you see their kid, what are you looking for outside? Some men, wetin dey look for outside? They say na una nature. If na una nature, you no go control yourself. You go let the thing dey control you. You control the thing by yourself. They say nature, now you go make una go dey do behave so many angle, they behave many things. Behave many things, many ways. It's not good though. There's a lot of things why I go dey hear some men they do. It's very, very bad. Because you people be like a king where they rule many people, where they rule many words. Una come dey let una self down so low. You have a beautiful wife, you have a beautiful kids. You're supposed to be proud of your kids. Make your family be happy. Make your family be okay. Make your family anything that they want. No be say you go dey get if you some married men, if you go to their Facebook, na married man oh. You no go write say don't marry, but you go put like you go see, you go get woman wey dey for the profile go reach like 1 million. Only one man. 1 million and you're married. Woman wey dey for your Facebook go reach 1 million. Even 1 million sef are too small. Some of them need 2 million. Because they won't enter, they won't chook, they won't do this, they won't test. You can never see some married man, you can never see them post their wife picture for their page, for their distance. Because they have some bad things. Some evil character, you won't go do pino, you won't go do yori. Because of those outside chick, you are not proud of your wife. Even some of them they are married. If they get a girl, if you get say, are you married? Instead you say, marry. If the girl want to follow you. If you no want follow, make him gule, make him go. You go tell and say, I never marry you. I'm just to see a good woman, easy. to see a good woman, no easy. I just want, if I reach, make I check if I reach, if it be next year, or if it be this year, if it be next month, let me check I can see good girl. My dear, girls, make una wise o. Make una wise, make una wise. Menye na anya unu, kunu na afọ ihe na-eme n'ụwa. Some ụmụ nwoke na-aghọrị, a na-aghọrị, then they lie, many of them they lie. And una girls sef too dey believe. Too dey believe. You go see person, you go tell you say, you find out by yourself and check. This man, is he married? This guy, is he married? You will find out, you will know. Find out. If you be say na somebody wey know and wey know say him dey well for that in Facebook, you go use idea ask. You go see. You must get say this one don marry. This one get wife, this one get baby. Not till you just see a man, you just follow the man, you don't know about, you put in your heart and this one go marry you. My dear, na sorry be your name. If you no find out, and the man, na so the man go dey do shakara for you. They tell you say, this, that. He can never show him profile. Many of them know they show their wife profile or their wife picture, or even write I'm married for Facebook. They will not write I'm married. They will not write I'm single, because their eye dey outside. They won't test that thing with the outside. And my dear girls, if they chop the thing finish, they go still go for that their beautiful wife. They no go use their wife play. They will still go and meet their wife. So if you like, twist am, give the man, hang your leg from up to down to give that man. Anything wey you like, turn all the highest style to the man. Him wife na him wife o. You no go use him wife play. And you no go take because of you leave him wife. You go still go meet him wife. So the best advice I will give the single girls, this men wey una dey feel say this one never marry o, many of them don marry o. Shine your eyes. Many don marry. Dem put their kids and their wife dey one side. Some of them they go come, they go tell you say I never marry, I no get baby, I no get. My sister, na lie. Many of them, if you see the one wey tell you I never get baby, look am well with one eye. If you say you don get baby, you don get everything. Dey careful for any guy you dey follow. Make e shine your eye. Dey very, very careful. Because as you see them own, na so they just want to enter, make e test that thing. If you don't test the thing, na run in dey run. So dey careful for anything wey you dey do, single girls. Dey careful. All these guys wey you see, as you see those guys finish, some married men, they go write say they don marry. They no go write single. You go see them go deceive all these single girls. This single girl go think say their mind say I don get woman, I don get man. My dear, find out the man you get, you call your man, you have. You understand me? Find out the man you claim that you have. The man go there for another country. You go there for another country. The man go dey deceive you say I never marry. Many of them have wife. They have their wife somewhere. You can never know, because the way they take, because they know they put profile say they don't marry. They know they put single. You no go know. They know they for this one. They know they for this one. So you dey careful for anything where any man will tell you I never marry, I do this, I do that. My dear, look well, shine your eye. Shine am o. Because if you no shine am, they go help you shine am. So be careful, girls. You understand? For our guys where they do like that, if you're married, my dear, dey proud of your kids and your wife. Stop hiding nonsense because of all these fake, because of you see fake girls. YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. You can't dey hide your family. You will not dey proud of wetin God don give you. God will give you do bad to give you your wife and your kids. Are you not proud of your kids and your wife? Be proud of your wife and your kids. Be happy because God know why He give you your loving kid and your loving wife. Because of nonsense women, some women will say na artificial now they put for eyes. Now they feel say because of that you will deny say I never marry, I never do this. Be proud of your what God don't give you. Be proud. Stop do this fake movement. Nothing you go gain. Tomorrow if your wife now you go say your wife don dey go do outside, you go dey blame only the woman. Sometimes I blame you people men because you go get a good wife, you no go marry am, you go dey chook all those ones wey be say those go dey do all these ones wey be say their eye, nothing you go gain there o. Nothing you go get for those ones wey your eye dey outside, and nothing dem go even, no better thing wey dem go give you, no only bad bad thing dem go dey think. My dear men, una dey very very careful for all these things wey una dey do. Una dey get conscience, dey get conscience. No be all this life that life no be life o. Forget this thing wey una dey do, because if anything happen those your outside chick dem no go come o. Na that your woman na im go stand for you where that time go happen. Na your woman na im go dey there, na im go stand, na im go do anything, na im go church, na im go dey pray for you. All those outside chick wey una go, all of them go pick race, dem go ja, dey fit dey with their one of their bobo for one place dey enjoy theirself. So make una dey think if una dey do something, make una dey think, make una change. Okay? I love you all. Is your one and only AB Media, your sister, your love. Try and subscribe to my channel, share and like. I love you all. God bless you. Bye.